Because we are expecting some very hot conditions as we head into the next few days as high pressure continues to move closer to us here in Southern California. So yes, even though the calendar does say fall, it is feeling more like summer. Summer just can't let go. So that was a live look with our Santa Monica Pier camera. We have blue skies, barely any cloud cover. There are some high clouds though floating up above just to the east of us. Near the airport, LAX, 82 degrees at this hour. So you can already feel how warm it is outside as this high pressure system continues to push into the area. Out the door right now, we are looking at more of the oranges here on the board. So even Oxnard and Camarillo looking at temperatures in the 80s. 84 for Van Nuys, 84 also for downtown, and it is much cooler up in the mountains and also in the high deserts where we do have low 70s, which is the opposite. Normally when we are feeling some mild conditions everywhere else in the lower elevations, the high deserts are looking at some very hot conditions. So here's a look at what's happening. Take a look at the arrows. It is pointing that typical textbook offshore fashion coming in from the land to the sea, and so that is what's drying us out. We still have a little bit more of that sea breeze right along the coast, but overall the arrows will start to shift as we head into the afternoon. And as I pointed out earlier, the dew points are very low. Our dew points normally should be hovering in the 50s and 60s, which is another form of moisture measurement in our atmosphere. You can see just how brown it is here. We're looking at teens for areas like the San Fernando Valley, teens up into the mountains, and we're also looking at dew points pretty dry near the airport and also for areas like Fullerton. So elevated fire danger through not just the week, but as we head into this upcoming weekend, we are talking some very gusty offshore winds, anywhere from 30 to 40 miles per hour, especially near the foothills in our mountain communities. And as I mentioned, low humidities, and then you pair that with the high temperatures. That's why we have the elevated fire danger for the rest of the week. So here's a look at just some high clouds floating up above as we zoom out. That high pressure system is coming in from the west. There is still a low pressure system off to the east of us, and that's what's causing just a little bit more of the stronger winds to pick up once we head into the afternoon. But overall, we're going to start to see those temperatures increase by a few degrees tomorrow and into Wednesday. Monday through Wednesday, we'll see some critical fire danger, especially for the higher elevations as this high pressure system nudges closer to us here. Highs today will be above average today, and it will stay like that through the rest of the week. 89 for Rialto, 91 for Lake Elsinore, low 90s for the San Gabriel Valley, low 90s also for Pomona and Ontario, 89 for Irvine, 80 degrees right along the coast for Huntington Beach. So even our beach communities are feeling some very warm temperatures. 85 for Santa Monica, 92 for Thousand Oaks, 93 for Oxnard. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Lots of sunshine here on the board because of that high pressure system building into the area. Our valley locations by the end of the week, we'll see those triple digits reappearing. And then for areas like the Inland Empire, the high deserts, we're looking at temperatures mainly in the 90s for the next few days. Back